Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add floating text in Premiere Pro. First, go ahead and select the type tool and type in your text within the preview video. And you can adjust it and position it as you like under the Essential Graphics tab. After that, let's go to Effect Controls and click on the stopwatch icon beside position. Let's move ahead 1 second and we click on this motion text under the Effect Controls. And on the preview video, we move the text slightly upwards. After that, let's move ahead again 1 second. And this time, you're going to move the text slightly downwards. And we are going to keep doing that. Move ahead 1 second and move it up again. Move ahead again 1 second and move it down. Keep alternating the moving up and down of the text and do it based on how long you want the effect to last. After that, we highlight all the keyframes, right-click on them, select temporal interpolation, and click on ease in. Right-click on them again, temporal interpolation, and click on ease out. And the effect should look like this. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.